How to fix your iPhone photos are not showing up on your PC. So if you have a USB-C cable going from your computer to your iPhone, but you can't see any photos on your PC, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. So you can see right now, if I come over to my computer, I don't have any options for the iPhone. Now, sometimes what can happen as well is you may see the Apple iPhone like this, but then when we go and click on it, sometimes you won't have anything inside of this folder. Now, there's a couple of ways to go and solve this. The first thing you need to do is just come over to your iPhone and disconnect the USB-C cable from your iPhone and your computer. You then need to load up the settings on your iPhone, and we're going to scroll down and click on General. You can then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on the Reset button, and then you need to select Reset Location and Privacy. You'll need to enter your iPhone's passcode in order to confirm these changes. And then once everything's been reset, you can grab the USB-C cable, and then you can try plugging it back into your iPhone and your computer. Now you should get a message pop up on your iPhone asking to trust this computer. Now it's really important that you click trust on this message. You'll then need to enter your iPhone's passcode one more time, and that should establish a connection between your iPhone and your computer. Now, if it's still not working, you can also try using a different USB-C cable. So some cables are only used for charging and other cables are used for charging and also file transfer. So try using the official Apple cable if you have this available. You could then head over to the File Explorer on your computer, and you should be able to see the Apple iPhone. Now, if it's still not working, open up the Start menu on your computer, go and search for Device Manager and click on this window. You should see Apple iPhone, go and right click on this, click on Update Driver, press Browse My Computer for drivers, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You can then go and select this device here and press Next. Now, once you've done this, come back over to your File Explorer. You can then double click on the Apple iPhone and then click on Internal Storage. Now, if you still can't see any folders in here, then just make sure your iPhone is unlocked and make sure to allow any notifications on your phone. You should then be able to see all of these different folders, and these basically contain all of the media on your phone. So if you go and click on any of the folders, here you'll be able to find all of the images that are saved on your iPhone.